Welcome back to Dr. Sophia. If vintage Harley-Davidsons are your thing, and I mean real steel, hand-shift panheads, knuckle-dragging shovelheads, and ironhead shoppers, then buckle up. Today, I've got 10 rare collectible and just plain badass bikes for sale across the US. Some are ready to ride, others are begging for a garage revival. Either way, these aren't showroom queens, they're machines with history and attitude. Let's dive in. Number 1, 1958 Harley-Davidson Panhead. Here's a solid white hardtail panhead with a wide glide front and a 4-speed hand shift. This thing runs and rides, and it's not shy about its age or heritage. Comes with extra parts, no title drama, just old school muscle. You want a test ride? Bring cash. Dawn doesn't play games, no joyrides, no tire kickers. You get the vibe. Number 2, 1955 Harley-Davidson Panhead. The seller says it's not perfect, but it runs, rides, and shifts without a hitch. Matching belly numbers, strong bones, and just enough attitude. Exterior's purple, and there's a sidecar. Yes, a matching purple sidecar on a 1950 frame, for sale separately. This Panhead doesn't care about your uncle's $300 Harley story from the 70s. Just bring respect and real questions. Number 3, 1947 Harley-Davidson Knucklehead. Now we're deep in collector territory. This 47 Knucklehead was restored 6 years ago to spec. Some parts are repop, but the heart of the machine is all there. Looks brand new, feels like 1947. If you're building a museum or planning to leave something behind in your will, this one's calling. Number 4, 1973 Harley-Davidson Ironhead Chopper. Frame's a 73, motor's an 84 XLH 1000, and it's got a clean title. Historic, so no inspection needed in Maryland. Seller rebuilt it with love, brakes, tires, Mikuni carb, polished pistons, all garage kept. But this ain't for rookies. Rear brake only, high compression, and it'll toss you forward on a downshift if you're not ready. Wild ride. Number 5, 1974 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead. Custom frame with a 200 barrier tire, open primary belt drive, and electric start. The engine's rebuilt, and you've got forward controls, set up 1 up, 3 down. Needs clutch and carb work, but the bones are cool. Original frame and title included. No trades, no BS. Number 6, 1976 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead FLH. Here's a red FLH Shovelhead with tour pack, original pipes, and 2 bonus seats. It runs but could use some tuning love. Titled in the seller's name. Clean and simple, just a big American V-twin waiting for a wrench and some weekend miles. Number 7, 1966 Harley-Davidson Sportster. This Ironhead chopper is professionally built and strictly kickstart only. Show quality with gold paint, and here's the kicker. You also get a free 1969 Honda CB350 included in the deal. No registration yet, but paperwork's available to get it done. Cash only, no trades. Number 8, 1958 Harley-Davidson Panhead. Another clean 58 Panhead, restored down to every nut and bolt in Santa Barbara, California. Matching numbers, rebuilt motor, and fresh paint. Just dusty in the pics. Battery's dead, but it'll be replaced. This one's been sitting covered in a shop, waiting for a second life. No trades. Number 9, 1940 Harley-Davidson WL. Running 45 CG motor, mostly original 20,000 miles. It's a survivor. The carb was just rebuilt, but not tuned yet. It starts, moves, and you'll want to go through it before taking on Route 66. If you're looking for a 1940s war-era ride with raw history, this is it. Number 10, 1946 Harley-Davidson Knucklehead. This beast is an L motor rebuilt with FL parts, bull neck frame, offset springer, and aftermarket tins. Just 500 miles on the restoration. Looks great, runs even better. Good title, 12-volt conversion. And yeah, cash is king. Maybe he'll trade for a GTO or try 5.2 door, but you better come correct. So, there you go, 10 rare Harleys for sale, each one with its own scars, soul, and story. These aren't just motorcycles. They're chapters of American motor history. Whether you want to cruise, wrench, or collect, Something here might be your next obsession. Let me know in the comments. If you had the cash, which one would you take home? And don't forget, if you're into classic iron like this, subscribe to Dr. Sophia for more killer finds every week. Catch you on the next ride.